am empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free. With courage and strength I'll face the day.
Yes, kaway-kaway tayo lahat. Hello, hello.
Hi.
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 Mabuhay.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay, at bago tayo sisimulan na natin. Magandang araw. Kumusta ang ating mga Saturday? Okay lang? Okay lang tayo dyan?
Hey, gloomy tayo.
Tuloy tayo.
Very rainy.
Okay, I'll put you guys on the backstage at i-welcome lang natin. Meron tayong special ngayon. Meron tayong something. So, let me just fix the screen here quickly. Saan tayo dyan? Ayan. So, kami lang muna si Cheryl. Ayan. O, diba? Hello. Magandang araw, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, at kung anong oras pinakarating ang aming live today, whether you're tuning in from wherever you're tuning from, welcome po sa another powerful episode of our Empowered Women series, diba? Where we feature real women, real stories, and real breakthroughs. So, in this digital business, at ako po si Malu from Alberta, Canada, a mom of 3, and currently working as a full-time office manager, and of course, a proud digital business owner. Ayan, si Cheryl.
Yes, hello. Magandang gabi na naman po. And yes, I'm back. And it's Saturday. So bago po ang lahat, I am Cheryl. I'm a nurse, I'm a single mom, and a proud digital business owner from UK. So let me tell you, tonight's story po will hit home for many of us, especially those who've spent years, serving others, putting family first, and maybe even putting their own dreams on pause. So because our guest tonight is someone who shows us that it is never too late to start over again, and it's never too early to choose yourself. Di ba, Malu?
That's correct. Very, very true, si Cheryl. And what's inspiring is that instead of slowing down in retirement, ang ating special guest, she chose to rise up again and step into something completely new in this digital business. Akalain mo yon. And now, she is a full-time online entrepreneur. So, anong gagawin na natin si Cheryl?
Yes, tama. Sorry. Yes, yeah, it's so amazing, isn't it? At that stage now where most people slow down, especially when they're on retirement age, diba? But Maria choose to rise up against, and that's exactly what this business makes possible. So it's not about age, experience, or even being tech savvy. It's all about being willing to learn and grow. So Maria's story is a living proof. Yes, Malu?
Yes, and we'd like to bring her to stage now and help me guys to welcome Sis Maria on stage. Hello, hello.
Welcome. Welcome to Empowered Women.
Welcome sa aming...
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes, and I would like to... Oh, bakit ka umalis? Asan ka na, Sis Maria? Alam mo, pag binabanggit ko yun, naalala namin yung lola namin. Kasi they have the same name. Maria. Asan na si Sis Maria?
Wala si Sis.
Okay, so while we're waiting, ayan na siya. So, ayan na si Sis Maria. At hinanap ka namin ng sandali. Mga few seconds lang. Thank you for coming back. So, ayan, simulan ko na. Yeah, simulan ko na po yung question natin. At syempre, this is your time na rin para mag-introduce about yourself, and we have already a quite idea kung ano pa yung background niyo. Pero of course, sa ating mga nanonood ngayon at sa mga manonood ng replay, pwede niyo po bang i-share a little bit about yourself and of course where you're from and what's like before you started this digital business. And of course, thank you so much po at pinaunlakan niyo po yung aming invitation. We're really privileged to be part of this conversation tonight.
It's a pleasure to be here. You know what? I am so happy that I'm here today, right, with you guys. By the way, my name is Maria Santos. I am from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Originally from Bicol, Philippines. Bicol po, maray na aga sa Indugobos. Sa manamparti ka muna na yaon, maray na aga, maray na hapon, maray na banggi. Isa po akong wife, mother to 4 adult children, a grandma to 10 beautiful kids. And dati po akong nurse, isa po na ako ngayon, as of now, I am a retired nurse educator, and I become a full-time digital business owner. Your question here, where you're from and what is, and how did you, before you started this business? I was a nurse. I was actually working 16 hours. That was 4 years ago when I found this business. Yeah, so that is Maria Santos. Go back to you guys.
Yep, thank you, Sis Maria, for answering that. I'd like to call on Sis Imelda, who's going to be the next here. Sis Imelda, I'll put you in the spotlight here, and you can throw away your question for Sis Maria.
Magandang tanghali po, Sis Maria from Sunshine State, Florida, and also sa mga viewers natin dyan. I am also a nurse by profession. I have 5 children. 4 of them are adult. 1 is still, graduating from high school. I am very privileged to meet you, Miss Maria. I really am. I'm inspired. You really fired me up.
Thank you.
But to you, Sis Maria, is that other than what inspired you, what is at the bottom rock in your life for you to decide to enter this digital business?
Biglang naglaho si Sis Maria ulit at sandali. Antay lang natin konti at nag-connect na siya ulit. Ayan, there you go. Thanks for coming back, Sis Maria.
I apologize for this, guys. I apologize. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, let's go on.
Okay, let's go. My question for you, Sis Maria, is that other than inspiration, what is that bottom rock in your life that made you decide to be a business owner and this specific digital business we are in?
Thank you so much, Sister Imelda, for that that inspirational, very inspirational questions, right? What made me decide to become a digital business owner? I found this business that was 4 years ago when I was still working. When I was still working 16 hours a day, in my, Filipinos are hardworking nurses, right? All over the world, we work so hard. Then, you know what? Since the age of 23, I had been working. My Philippines, and iniwan ko ang mga anak ko sa Pilipinas behind, and I was in Saudi Arabia. And that was the hardest moment in my life, knowing that I was 1,000 miles away from my children. Mahirap sa isang ina, mahirap sa isang magulang, hanggang sa nadala ko sila dito sa Edmonton, Alberta. I thought that will be good. I thought that is the time that I want to be with my children. Hindi pala po. So, being an immigrant, and finally I become a Canadian citizen, right? My children ay 4. I have to work 3 jobs. Day shift, evening shift, and sleep shift. 24 hours for 8 years.
Parang malabo ang connection ni Sis Maria, kaya siya napuputol-putol. So, apologies sa mga nanonood. We'll try to connect her again, and now she's back.
I apologize again. I have to work these 3 jobs. I know lots of people can resonate of what I did. But you know what? Provide food on the table, send your children back to university, right? Pay the rent, pay the bills. I had been working for 49 years, back to back, back to back. And I never had that freedom in time flexibility. You know what? And at my age, you know what make me explore this digital business, and instead of settling down. You know what? Even though how many hours you work, right? Retirement money is not enough. No matter what, government ka, it is not enough. Not enough. I am a pensioner right now, and my husband is, but it is not enough. If you spend in dollars, you earn in dollars, spend in dollars, it's just nothing. So I was thinking how it gonna be, right? And I never had that freedom in time flexibility, right? To go back. I never had that chance to go back for 1 month or 2 months. You know, if you have a boss and then you cannot go more than a month or month and a half. I was able to go back 6 months, November to May. I was in the Philippines for 6 months. Not worrying of anything. And this business, well, I bring it home. This is how global this business is. Because of this business, I regain my freedom, extra money on the side, and time with my family. This is the reason why I am here right now, to share to each and every one who is listening right now that age is not a problem. If you are on your retirement stage, it doesn't stop there. But your life is your decision. Back to you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you, Maria. It is really amazing to know, no, that this business is so flexible that you can bring it anywhere you are in the world. So yes, we are now on the third question, third speaker, which is Mary. Hello, Mary. Okay, take it away, Mary.
Everybody, good morning. Almost afternoon here in beautiful Vancouver, Canada. So I'm a mom of 2 and a former banker, and I now work in healthcare. And like all of you, all of us here, I am a proud digital business owner. So I am currently at work right now, but I took the time. It's my break time because I don't want to miss the opportunity of interviewing Sis Maria, because I've heard a lot of good things and I relate so much with you, and I know all the challenges that we face in healthcare. Ito ang aking big question. What were your doubts prior to starting this digital business? Because a lot of us in healthcare, on top of our already busy schedule, how what made you decide? What were those doubts and how did you overcome them, Sis Maria?
Thank you so much, Mary Rose, for that question. What made me decide to join this business at my age, especially at my age? I'm not talking to you younger people because you have lots of time to do this business, right? What made me decide is because I want to regain my freedom and time flexibility, and I want extra money for my retirement, and I want to leave legacy to my family, because if you're gone, your pension will be taken back by the government. But this business, you are building legacy from generation to generation, and then at the end of the
Oh, nawala na naman siya.
Okay. Antayin lang natin ulit si
Yeah, it's
si
okay. We will wait for her.
talagang ano, no? Ang galing sa dala. Ayan na siya. Welcome back.
Sorry, guys. Always you are have to welcome that. I don't know first time that it's happening. Anyway, so you this is an amazing business that I did, right? This is the best decision that I've ever done in my life. You question another question. How did do you have any doubt and hesitation starting this business? Of course I had, right? I had that hesitation and doubts at the back of my head, right? Considering that I was not a tech savvy. I don't have any business background. I don't know computer at all. None, zero. It was hard. It was hard. Really, really hard for me to believe that I am here right now. You know what, guys? I have that huge why when I hop into this business. As I said, I want my freedom back. I want extra money, time with my family, travel, and limited, maybe first class soon, right? So that is one of the dream, right? So I didn't have any business background. There, I was scared. I was scared. I was skeptical. I was fearful. Can I make it? Can I make it? Because when I watched that webinar, I saw those panelists that they are enjoying their life. But the question at the back of my head, can I make it? Yeah. But even though how hard it was, I can't tell you how many barrels of tears after tears that I had when starting this.
Yes. So, bear with us, guys. Bear with us. Yun lang signal, ano? So, yes. So, I do believe ako kay Sis Maria, with her courage to join the business, even though she don't have any experience in business. She's not tech savvy. But her why is her starting point in starting this business. So, where is she now? Are you back, sis?
I am here. I'm sorry. I
Sorry.
apologize. You
It's
know what?
okay.
I will continue that. What is that? The hesitation. There was hesitation. There was ongoing hesitation. Just like last night, Bernadette was awake at 2 o'clock. We were awake. You know what? I'm not a techie. I had somebody who jumped into the business, and there is a new digital application that I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do until almost 3 o'clock. You know what? All you have to do here in this business, you have the courage. You have the courage. You have to be persistent. No.
There you go. She's back.
I don't. Okay. No matter.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kasama
yes.
ko ang ating Kung wala ning tension mo, doon ako na wala ning tension mo, wala ka. Ayan, nawala na naman siya. Okay. Meron po kaming mga pabitin, di ba?
Pero eye-opener pala talaga yon about the pension. Because
Di
that's
ba?
what we're aiming for. We want to work more
Totoo.
so that the pension is bigger, but we don't
Is
factor
bigger.
in. Pag nawala pala
Oo.
tayo,
Pag
wala
nawala
na.
tayo. Yes. Kaya nga
Correct.
napaka-importante legacy na
Legacy
nabanggit
builder
din.
talaga yung business.
Totoo. Ayan na siya.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know. There's something, but this connection won't stop us from sharing to the whole world what is all about this business, right? This is not
Yes.
reason for us to give up just like that. You know what? I lots of difficulties, just like last night I was sharing to you. I don't know what I was doing. It took me almost 4 hours to figure out what I was doing last night.
Mm.
I never give up on something. I am a go-getter. At my age, I'm almost 71 years old.
Wow.
71 years old. I do things on my own, quietly. And you know what? I always pray that God is in control of what I'm
Always.
doing. I was able to do it last night, what I was doing. So there is nothing impossible to a willing heart. If you want to do something, you have to put your effort. First is faith, then your effort. Yeah, you have to do something. Don't just sit and wait for something to happen. No, you have to do something. Kung ano ang gusto mo sa buhay mo, you want to be a successful digital business owner? Do you want extra income or even more?
Yeah, she's got the courage to. Okay.
It is just me happening. Maybe the internet is not happy with me sharing all this good. Okay. Anyway, I will share in
Hmm.
The beauty of life.
I'm back. So, even though how hard it is, even even though there's lots of challenges, life have to goes on. Even though how old you are, it is not the end of it, right? Don't just sit and wait for something to come to help you. No, help yourself. I'm 71 years old. I will repeat it again. And I will never stop doing this business. And I will never stop sharing to the whole world that age is just a number. It is just the beginning. At my age, I am just beginning. I am so fired up. I am so inspired that, you know what, I'm thankful to God that I can do what I am doing right now. There is inside of me that really helped me how to.
Napaka-contagious ng energy ni Sis Maria. I love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, that answer your question. So,
Yes.
did you have doubts? Yes, there's always doubt. There is always doubt. There is always skepticism. Even after 4 years, there is always doubt. There is always. But you know what? At the end of the tunnel, there is always a light. This is how the way I look at life. I've been into so many difficult situations in life, but I overcome it by the grace of God. It's not by me, but the grace of God helped me where I am right now. The grace of God helped me say what I am saying right now. You don't have idea.
Let's just carry on na lang.
Yeah.
She'll come back. She'll come back.
I don't know, but it's okay. We're gonna go with it. I don't know. This is the first time it happens. So I am calling and I am sharing this to you. Whoever's out there is watching right now. If you want to work online, if you want a good life, if you want anything good for your family, if you want to retire with good life, if you want to spend more time with your children, travel more, this is it. This is it. Fear is always there no matter what you do. Everything that happens, a new thing, you will be fearful. But you know what? If you stay fearful the rest of your life, then you will just be in one side of that one corner of your house. No, get out. Get out from your comfort zone. Get out.
Yeah, very good point that she's presenting. To remain fearful, it's actually just going to cripple you and it won't allow you to move forward to your next goal. So, very inspiring words from Sis Maria. And there you go, she's back.
Yeah, all I can say is, you guys, that you know what, we have to continue. We have to share because there's lots of people who don't know that they can work smarter and not harder.
That's
It's not
right.
about fear. It's not about skepticism. It's not about no money. It's not about old age. It's not about that. It's about taking action and getting into this business because this is an amazing business that changed hundreds of thousand lives globally, all over the world, and be part of this. Back to you guys.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thanks, Rose, for that question, and thanks for answering. Super kami ay napapump din dito, Sis Maria. And while you were saying those words, parang napapa-amen, amen. Amen kami lahat. So, yeah, there's so many nuggets in there. Pag tapos na yung pension mo, wala na. Pag tapos na yung, pag wala ka na dito, wala na rin yung pension mo.
Pag wala ka na dito,
I,
wala na rin yung pension mo. I,
oh, weird. Pasensya na at medyo nagkakaano kami dito ngayon. We'll just add on si Sis Bernadette for the next question here. And Sis Bernadette, thank you. Kahit na nasa work ka at naka-join ka pa din, thank you so much. And Sis Bernadette, okay, asan si Sis Maria? There you go.
There you go.
So, ano natin, Sis Bernadette?
Oh, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Bernadette here. I am an early childhood educator by profession. And once again, I am happy to be here with the on stage with Sis Maria. I've been with her and she's really amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I think this internet is really doing funny thing with us today, but it doesn't impede any of these nuggets that we are to have. So I am so privileged and happy to be with Sis Maria once again. And hi, Sis, we are back in the house. We woke up, we slept late last night, but then that's great and that's okay. So we'll dive into my question, Sis Maria. So, how did you manage the learning curve, especially when it comes to the tech side of things here in our digital business?
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Bernadette. Nice to see you again. If you said even though we were late last night, we are here in showing up to the whole world that we are here. What? How did I manage to that learning curve, and when, especially when it comes to the tech side of the thing, that this business? You know what? As I said, I was not a tech savvy. If you have a purpose in life, you have to work on that because you can just dream without doing anything, right? You have to take action. But that doesn't.
Oopsie, she's gone again. Let's try to bring him back. Oh, bring her back.
She'll come back for sure.
Okay,
She
she'll
will.
come back. MacArthur, I shall return. There you go.
Yeah.
To take action. Take action of whatever kung ano ang gusto mo sa buhay mo. I was not a tech savvy. It was hard. I was fearful. You know what? Dahil sa step-by-step training that is easy to follow, I was able to learn the business. It was not hard. To be honest with you, sabi ko nga, ang daming luha na inubos ko sa business na ito because in my heart, I can do it. I have to do it. You know what? There was an urgency for me to do it.
That's the fire inside her heart. So, guys, it doesn't really matter whether you are tech savvy or not. This business is for you.
Yeah, I was not a tech savvy. I didn't have anything to do with business and thing with technicality. But because you know what, I have that desire. I have that why that it had to happen. Not I want it. I whenever I plan something, whenever I want something, I work hard with whatever is that. So I followed a step by step training. I was working. The training is easy to follow, very easy to follow. You just have that momentum. You just have to accept that, okay, here I am learning. I will learn from A to Z, right? It is just the process of that, and you will never be alone. Hindi ako nag-iisa. Nandiyan ang aking mentor, nandiyan ang aking coach, and a huge community that support one another. I can reach out. Just like last night, I was reaching out to coaches and things like that to help me what I was gonna do. If there is no community, how
Napakalakas ng kanyang internet at tayo ay on and off.
Talagang a supportive system would definitely be there.
Yes.
Just a text or a call away, and there you go.
and I'm back again, right? As I said, I was working 16 hours that time when I found this business. But you know what? Did I miss anything? No. There is an automation that was doing the job for me, even though I was not so fully 100% aware that it is working for me sa background, even though I was working lots of hours. There is nothing impossible to a willing heart. Wala namang bagay sa mundo na madali. If you want something, if you want a good life, if you want all those goodies in life, you have to work for it. You have to work for something, right? But you know what? Kung may willing heart ka, it comes just like that. I was not like this before. I was not a public speaker. Yeah, I was a nurse educator. I speak in front of students, but it's so different there. This business is so different. Ibang-iba ang negosyong to. But you know what? You will never be alone. Lahat tools na kailangan mo to start until you become successful is provided sa business na ito. So what are we looking for? Take action, and back to you guys.
Thank you.
Salamat, Sis Maria, for a very amazing answer. And yes, take action is the only way to start your dreams. And here we go. Next one is Lisa Bravo. Yes,
Hello.
Sis Lisa, take away. Take it
Hello,
away.
everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. For all those who are watching us from all over the world. My name is Lisa Bravo, and I'm a single mom of 2 children. They are young adults now. They are 18 and 20 years old, actually. And I'm also a registered nurse here in the UK since 2001 here, and I'm a proud digital business owner as well. So, hello po, Sis Maria. Welcome po sa Empowered Women, and salamat for accepting our invitation to you. And actually, na ano ko sa sinabi ni Malu kanina, kasi I have a cousin as well here. Malu is my first cousin, and she said, our Lola is her name is Maria as well. So yeah, so your journey, sis, is so inspiring. So itong connection na ito, it will not stop us actually to share the good news, yung itong nangyayari sa itong digital business. It doesn't stop us to share to the world na there's such like this na kind of business. So I have a question to you, sis Maria. So you're a wife, a mother, and grandmother to 10 beautiful grandkids po, di ba? So how has this business impacted your family life?
That is a very good question. As I shared earlier, I
Habang inaantay natin at tayo magmumuni-muni muna. At hopefully, ayan na siya ulit.
Yan na siya.
no will not stop. Will
Yes, go.
this
It
business
doesn't stop us
my life.
to share the good news to the world.
Thank you. This business empowered my life. You know what? Having my kids and my children, as I shared to you guys, I never watched my children grow. I never had that time for my grandkids. I never had. But now I become a digital business owner, a full-time digital business owner. I can, para yung mga utang ko sa mga anak ko na time na nawala sa akin, I regained that because of this business. Because hindi mo naman kailangan, I am working full-time as a digital business owner. I don't need to be here 24 hours, no, 8 hours, or 7.75 hours, no. It only needs 2 hours, 3 hours of my time in 24 hours. And nandyan ang automation. Now I am enjoying, as a matter of fact, after nito, I will run to my birthday party of my grandson. He's 4 years old, so grandma will rush. I have all the gifts on top of the counter and ready. This gave me more time to be a mom, to be a grandma, right? That I had never experienced before. Kung may sakit sila, I can just run. I can be there physically, not like before.
This time, this is my fight song. Take back my life song.
Mag-messaging na tayo. Okay, habang inaantay natin.
That fight song.
This is the advantage of being a digital business owner. You have time. You work from home. Literally, you can attend to all activities, especially those mother with young children or grown-up children. Children need us. Our children need us. If they are grown up, they need your attention. They need the touch, right? They need the touch. You can touch their hair, you can hug them. That's what they need, right? Not all financial things that these kids need. You know what? If I leave my kids, there is malaking butas ang iniwanan ko, ang ginawa ko sa buhay nila, sa puso nila, that they grow up without me. Wala ako sa side nila. That was the hardest moment na masasabi kong challenge sa buhay ko. And I am sorry about that, but I have to do what I have to do to give them life, right? To give them a good life. Good education, that now I given them a wings now that they can fly on their own. So, eto ako ngayon, may freedom na ako to choose what I want. Sinong anak kong ang mag-stay ako ngayon, ang i-visit ko, sinong anak ang susunod. That is how my life right now. The freedom to be with them, the longing that I have to hug them. I'm the longing na magluto ako that they can come, everybody come and share the table. This is what we missed. Immigrants. I know how hard it is. That we started just like we just have to bite our tongue. It's because we have to do it. We have to do it. There is a way to work smarter and not harder, right? From job to job to job, it's not easy, but we have to do it as an immigrant. We have to do it to pay our bills, provide food on the table. But that is not the end of it. That is not the end of it. You have na gumising ka, bumangon ka, go for it, search for it, and now finally, I found this digital business that gave me more time, gave me more freedom na maalagaan. It's not maalagaan, na makasama, makalaro ko ang aking mga apo. This is it. This is it. Back to you guys.
Salamat po.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sis. Diba, nakakaano? Alala ko yung parang siyang nadenermon talaga. This is...
Oo, nakaka-inspire
No,
talaga.
kasi parang,
Fight
yeah.
talaga.
At saka lahat kasi tayo, lumaki tayo sa di ba, mga lola natin, yung mga parents natin nag-abroad. Super relate talaga din tayo sa kanila.
Yung I resonate with her as well kasi yung kids niya, di ba,
Yung
iniwan
kids
niya
niya.
rin sa Philippines.
Yes,
So,
pero yung sabi niya na the lost time has been regained. Kaya
oo.
now grandma and mama is finally present. Natawa ko din sa birthday party siya. Okay, we have to do what we have to do.
Nakaka-inspire, no?
Yes,
Galing niya.
andyan pa ba si Sis Maria? Yeah, thank you, Sis Maria. Now let's move on to the next. Sino ang ating next na si Sis Fe? Let me just call on Sis Fe. Asan ka, Sis Fe? There you go. Thank you, Ate Lisa.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sis Maria.
All right.
Thank
Hello,
you,
Sis
Fe.
Maria. Ako po si Faye.
Hi. Question mo, Fe, is, what does your typical day? Okay, Fe. Yes,
Wait.
throw me your question, Fe.
Wait lang, sis. Wait lang,
Okay.
kasi ayan na siya. Balik natin. Siya naman ngayon yung naglaho.
Natatakot ako sa internet eh. Okay?
Sige.
Okay, let's go.
Alright po. Hello mga viewers. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon dito sa amin ngayon. Ako pala po si Faye Katz, all the way from South Carolina. Pero ngayon, at this moment, andito ako sa father-in-law ko sa Tuscaloosa, Alabama, bringing my business with me. So, yes, isa po akong digital business owner, healthcare worker, and a breadwinner. So, my question to you, Sis Maria, is how does your typical day look like now compared to when you were still working full-time in nursing?
That is a very good job. I have a very good question. Typical day, you know what? Everybody works. There's lots of nurses. Everybody works, right? Shift work, right? Gigising ka sa umaga, you have to wake up in the morning, kasama pa yung alarm clock. Ting, 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 ting. You have to use that alarm clock kasi pagod tayo, lalo na pag 16-hour shift ka, you have to use that alarm clock to wake up. How good it is, right? Na gusto mo pang matulog, gusto mo pang mag-inat-inat, but you have to wake up, get ready. Is ready ang breakfast, ready ang may mga anak ka, ipack pa yung lunch or something like that. You have to do lots of stuff like that when you're working your traditional job, right?
Gising na. Ting, 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 ting.
Related
Diba may alarm ka, pag may work ka talaga. Pag may work ka, may alarm yan. Oo, ayan. Balikan natin, Sis Maria.
Yeah. Typical day look like? Yeah, it looks, when I was working, I didn't like it. But I have to do it. What? Kasi, hindi natin masasabi sa bills, hang on, stop coming bills because I don't have work right now. No? I miss my job. My son is sick. So I have to stay home. Hindi natin masasabi yun sa bills, no matter what. Ang bills ay uulan sa'yo at the end of the month, right? Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho ng extra hours from work to work para makabayad ng bills. Para lalo na ngayon, this time, guys. Lahat tumataas. Ako lang yata ang hindi tumataas. Mga
Dalawa na
bilihin-
tayo.
Lahat ng bilihin ay tumataas. If your pension is fixed like that, pag tumaas na yon, papaano mo maano iyong budget mo, right? Maano lahat tumataas. Everything is going up. Life is getting difficult and difficult and difficult, right? That is, you know what? Kung nagtatrabaho ka lang na fix ang income mo, yeah, you have 7.75 and you are paying, let's say, $30 or $40 or $50 an hour. Naka-plaster lang yun doon. Fix, pay mo yun. Where in fact, dito sa digital business, you know what? The more you work harder, the more you put your mindset into this, the more you have that eagerness to win, you will have more money. Hindi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito sa business na ito ay $10, $20. No. We are talking about millions here if you want to have that. But you know what?
Grabe talaga.
Win.
Relate ako dyan.
Yes.
Yung bang, yung difficulties in ano mo.
Yeah, continue, Faye.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'll go ahead. Okay, thank you, Lord. Anyway, right? Ang difficulties is just like Faye was starting, ay nandidiyan. No matter what, life is not a bed of roses. Kahit saan parte ka ng mundo, kahit anong ginagawa mo, minsan nga yung naglalaba ka, yung pagkusot mo minsan nahirap din, right? So, walang madali sa buhay. But the thing is, it's up to you to look at the positive side of life, right? Kasi I was born in poverty. I grew up in poverty. I was away from my children. I was away. I was all my own. Right? Ganun ang buhay ko. But did I stop from there? No. I always say to myself, you can do it. There is a better life that is waiting for you. Better life. No matter how hard this business is, right? You have all the support that you need. All you have to do is be positive. You know what, guys? This is what I say. If they can make it, we can make it. There's nothing impossible to a willing heart. Isang sistema lang ang pina-follow natin.
Grabe talaga. Yung energy niya papasok dito.
Walang ibang sistema. Walang ibang sistema. Yes, it's up to you na ipa-round up mo yun. Ang pag-go live, guys. Okay, I will share this to you. Sabi nila, bakit ang galing mong mag-go live? Hindi. Hindi ako magaling mag-go live.
Lagi akong nanonood sa Go Live mo, Sis Maria. Kaya inspire ako sa energy mo. Grabe yung energy mo talaga. Very inspiring yung
Very
energy.
inspiring. Yes.
Hindi ako magaling mag-go live, guys. I just wanna win. I just wanna win. And everything I do, I never. No matter how hard it is, I tell you guys, those who are young at watching now, those who are old who is watching now, it's just a number. Get out, take action, watch the webinar, and you will see what I am saying about. No, there is a life waiting for you, a good life waiting for you. Yung mga nadi-discourage sa business, don't be. Normal lang na
Alright guys, ito talaga ang business na unlimited, ang learnings, ang potentials. So para sa mga nanonood, what's our very powerful guest today? All right, back to you.
Yeah, just take action. Take action, even though, you know what? Open your heart, open your mind that this is for you. This is for you. You don't want to be, to make somebody rich the rest of your life. You can be your own boss, wherein you can work anytime you want, but this business doesn't happen overnight. Don't expect that you join today, tomorrow you will be a millionaire. It doesn't work that way. You have to work sa gusto mong bagay, hindi overnight result. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Sis Maria. Thank you so much. I love your energy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fe. Yes, kaya nga, take action. Kaya everything is not beds of roses. Sabi nga ni Sis Maria, ang life, there are full of problems in life, but it is up to you na gamitin mo ito. And it is up to you and your willingness to learn and go for your goals, for your dreams. So yes, and now hindi natin magtatagal na masyado. Sis Josie Kim Stevens from UK.
Hello there. Hi. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you, Sis Maria. You are such an inspiration. Wow. Your energy is very contagious.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyway, my name is Josie, and I'm coming to you from the UK. I am a full-time optical manager, and I'm also a digital business owner. Right. My question to you is,
Okay, at pareho na po silang wala pa. Ay, nako. Ayan.
oh, I don't know what happened there. I
Sige
don't
na.
know what happened. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it just cut out. Anyway, my question to you is, how did it feel shifting from traditional workforce or your work environment to the modern digital landscape? You said a while ago that it was very scary, probably very strange. How was the transition for you into this business?
Thank you so much for that question. It was not easy. Knowing that
Yes, life is what you make it, really. That's what I heard from her. So here we go. Yeah.
thank you for that question. It was kind of scary, but you know what? I want to do it, right? And I want to make it clear that I love my job being a nurse, but I cannot be working. I am 70, close to 71 years old. I cannot be on the floor working. I cannot be following up student until 80 years old, right? So my physical strength will be gone, right? But you know what? That's why that transition was just kind of hard. I missed my job. I've been a nurse for 49 years. 49 years, that was a long, fun, productive years of nursing. But you know what? I never had that freedom. I never had that time with my family. So it was kind of, I was hungry of those freedom. I was hungry for the time that I have to spend for my children and my grandchildren. So it was not easy. And being not a tech savvy, it was scary. It was scary. I have a good job, a good pay, but I have to set my mind. It started with the mindset that I want to start this digital business owner. The journey of being a digital business was not easy, but it's because I have a huge way that I mentioned earlier, I was able to make it. It was an amazing journey, and leaving my nursing career was not easy. But you know what? I will always be a nurse the rest of my life, maybe to my kids, maybe to anybody who needs help, right? And now I am a full-time digital business owner, trying to help people who are willing to have success in life, who are willing to change their life, who are willing to spend time with their children. And that is all about this business, is the freedom and time flexibility, and of course the money, right? Everybody likes money. Back to you guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Sis Maria, for that wonderful answer and also wonderful question, diba? So, paano nga siya nag-shift from traditional workforce to digital space? As always, parang lahat naman tayo scared. Pero sabi mo nga, napakalaki yung why, kaya wala tayong takot pagdating dyan. And I love the freedom and time flexibility, of course, and income as well. Pero na-shock ako, 49 years. Wow. Napaka daming oras. But at least, you have regained finally na the time. So, we're all grateful to be part of this business. All right, let's add who's our next interviewer here. We have si Ate Vicky all the way from Italy. Ciao, Ate Vicky.
Hello, hello everyone. I'm Vicky. I work in the travel industry as a ticketing sub-agent, and I'm growing my digital business. Hello, there is Maria. Thank you for accepting my friend request, and I'm so glad to meet you online and also to be here in sharing your story. I know that many of our viewers resonates what you are sharing right now. I have a simple question. What's your favorite part in working online, and what makes you motivated every day to continue this business? Hello, Sis Maria. Where are you? Alam nyo, napakaganda na marinig ninyong mga viewers namin itong aming guest today. I know it resonates many of you. You are muted.
I'm good.
You're muted, Sis Maria.
Oh, mute. There. You can hear me?
Yeah. Did you hear my my question?
No, I didn't. I didn't hear it. I was gone.
Okay. It's very simple. What's your favorite part of working online, and what keeps you motivated to continue this business?
My favorite part in working online is that I can work. I can help people out there, right? Because I said I'd been working for 49 years and I'd never known that there is a business like this. How I wish I can rewind my time, that I was 18, 20, or 30 years old or 50 years old, just like you guys, that I can help people out there that they can work smarter and not harder, right? So this is my favorite thing in life, and the challenge.
I'm not so far with your age. In our group of empowered women, I think I'm the older of all of them.
And the challenges that I've been through and nadadaanan ko pa, I like challenges. I like challenges in life because you know what? Ang challenge na yon at my age, and I can do it, and I will do it. I'm so positive that no matter how hard it is, this digital business, which is not really hard, sa akin is hard because I'm not a tech savvy, right? But you know what? If I see myself that I did like this, just like last night, I had a
Pasensya na po at nagkakaroon ng problem sa connection. Kasi siguro umulan din doon sa kanila, katulad dito.
This is the first time it happened.
Sis Maria, siguro kailangan mo ng palitan ng iyong wifi.
Okay, right. I like this business. I will make it short because the internet is just acting. You know what? Being a digital business owner, I have
So guys, I hope na many of you resonates her story.
yeah, being a digital business
So some of our digital partners can share this live in your pages. As what I'm saying a while ago, for our digital business partners that are not part of the group of Empowered, you can share this live in your pages.
right. Oh, we'll make it sweet and short now because I think it's the StreamYards doing it. So what I can say is take action. Take action. Don't let your age stop you from doing things that will you be thankful at the end of the day. Age is just a number. It is just a number. It is just a number. You can have 100 years old. Yes, you can do this business, even though you're 100 years old, as long as you can answer yes or no correctly, right? There is no. Don't put that as a hindrance or stop you from dreaming of what you want in what you want to become. You know what? I want. This is the thing that I want. I'm close to 71 years old, and I will never stop until I can make it. And I can help you who is watching right now. We can help you some who is watching right now that there is a
It's so hot.
all you have to do is take action. Take action. See what is waiting for you inside. That's all you have to do, just like all this business owner here right now. Right? Don't let this internet connection discourage you from sharing your journey. This is kind of a challenge. We will not stop until we finish this podcast. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much.
I'm just taking everyone in the stage para tignan natin if it'll make a difference. We're almost done anyway. Thank you so much for that, Sis Maria. At hopefully, nakabalik din siya. Oh, yeah, Sis Liza. All right, sino po ang next sa atin? Si
Rosalie.
Rosalie. Let's see. Hopefully, pag
Wala na yata ang oras.
Rosalie. Hey.
Nasa Sister Maria. Maria, hello po.
I'm here.
Ako po si Rosalie. Ako po ay taga Padova, Italy. Ako po ay isang ina, may isa akong anak. 13 taon na yung anak ko and I'm working as dental assistant dito. Ako po, dito po sa lugar namin, it's too hot, so ako po ay nagpapaypay, so bear with me. Ang akin pong katanungan, maigsi lang, Tagalog po yung katanungan ko ngayong gabi. Ang aking pong tanong ay, anong masasabi mo o advice para sa mga retirees o mas nakatatanda na iniisip na huli na para magsimula? Sis Maria?
Yes, I'm here. You know what? Sa mga matanda o nakakatanda or ako po ay matanda na rin. Right? Nakakatanda. Right?
Yeah.
All ages of life. All you have to do is take action. How I wish, uulitin ko, I've known this business earlier. Right? Na hindi ako dumating sa ganitong edad na almost 71 years old. But there's never too late in life. Take action. Try it. Walang mahirap sa negosyong ito. You will never be alone sa journey mo sa business na to because there is a mentor in a coach na
Ayan nga po. So, ang edad po ay numero lang, walang expiration ang growth, walang deadline ng pangarap.
mayroong mentor at coach na you will help and guide you. Lahat ng tools na kailangan mo, kahit hindi ka tech savvy, ay provided sa iyo na tulad ko. So, take action, watch the webinar. That is all you can do for now. If you don't do it, you will say, how I wish I did it. But if you take action now, you will thank yourself and give yourself a pat on the back. I did it. I made it with the flying colors. How about if I didn't take action 4 years ago? How about it? So, retire ako, so nakaupo lang ako dito sa bahay. That's all what I'm doing. But you know what? Mentally, I can do it. Talagang yung energy is there because I wanna win. If you wanna win something, do something positive about it.
Yan, si Sis Maria. Very energetic at talagang nakaka-inspired po talaga si Sister Maria. So, kaya nga habang may lakas tayo, may pag-asa. Be inspired po sa istorya ni Sis Maria na narinig natin ngayong gabi. So, yan po.
Yeah. Just take action, guys. Back to you. I give it back to you. All they can do is take action, just like I did at my age. Age is just a number. Don't make it stop you from doing things that you know you can do. Right? Start right now. Okay, back to you guys.
Yes. Thank you, Rosalie, and thank you, Maria, for an amazing interview today. So, yes, it's my turn. So, grabe ang iyong story, Sis Maria. It is so inspiring and contagious. Lalo na sa mga kababayan natin na yung bang feeling too late na to try something new, you know. Maraming salamat, Maria, for showing us that courage has no age limit. So now, before we wrap up, here's maybe we could ask you your call to action. So, Sis Maria, do you have any you can share to your live or your audiences what your
To invite you.
please?
Okay, thank you for that. All I can say that I've been saying is take action. If you are a busy mom, a working mom, if you are a grandma or a grandpa, this business is for all ages of life. 18 years old and above, unlimited age, like unlimited as long as you can answer. As long as you can answer correctly yes or no, this business is for you. Yeah, it's scary, but it's okay, right? We are here to guide and help you. If you resonate to any of this beautiful and successful digital business owner, just connect with them and they will help and guide you. Back to you guys.
Yes, thank you so much, Sis Maria. And of course, nakita niyo po yung page ni Sis Maria. Balikan natin ulit. Asan ba siya? So, what's your website? Oh, she's gone. Pero we can share it again later on. Okay, so if you're looking for something na mas meaningful than your 9 to 5, check out how this online business works. Wala pong pressure, wala pong selling. We only offer possibilities. At ito po yung aking website, www.digitalmsconsulting.com. At ipasa ko naman kay Sis Imelda. Oh, nakamute ka, Sis. All right, let's unmute you. Oh, you're muted. Nakamute, Sis Imelda. Ang dami na niyang nasabi at hindi natin nahabol yung sinabi. Ayan. Nakamute, Sis Imelda. Okay, while si Sis Imelda, yan, okay.
www.imeldacbonoy.com. And we will wait for your next side. As what she said, we have complimentary workshop. Go do it, and don't think about your age. Just do it now.
Naka-mute.
Sorry.
Nagulat talaga.
Hi here once again, guys. Bernadette here. So, napakarami po nating takeaway dito sa napakaganda nating usapan. So, of course, as an educator, I know the value of learning. This platform teaches us everything. So, kung nag-resonate po ang lahat ng mga stories sa araw na ito, you can connect any one of us po, and my website is www.bernadjourney.com. Register your name and your valid email address and say yes for an opportunity. Back to you.
Okay, si Ate Lisa. Ate Lisa, your turn.
Yes. So, ang ganda ng ng discussion natin kay Sis Maria, kahit yung connection ganon. Pero it's really very inspiring, and So if you're scrolling right now thinking baka pwede rin ako, sabi nyo sa sarili nyo, yes you can. So if all of us can do it, all of us in here can do it, you can too. So watch the webinar, guys, and that's how we started too. So if you want to have a look, just go to our websites, and my website as well here is www.mamalisa-an.com.
Hello po sa mga viewers. Kung na-inspired kayo sa aming mga good nuggets today, good takeaway today, don't make excuses. Your age, any age can start this business. Even not being a tech savvy, we can do it. So yes, take action. Just take action. Start, learn as you go. And first, you have to register your name and email address into our website, any website here. My website is right here, www.fakex.net, to access the free live webinar. That's the first step that you need to take. So, back to you guys.
Hi there again. So it's not too late to start. So if you are looking to change your life, know that this business is flexible, doable, and family friendly. It's perfect for women like us who juggle a lot of things. So take action now. Direct message us. Any of us rather. My website is www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. It's not too late to start. You can do this at any age. I'm 62 and I'm here. So there you go. Just get in touch with us, any of us here. Thank you very much.
Nakamute, Ate Vicky. You're muted.
Hello once again. Working in a travel industry is so satisfying, but this digital business gave me time, freedom, and peace of mind. If you want to have that too, connect with me in www.vickyventures.net or any one of us. You can see our website, our links below our pictures. Back to you, host.
Sis Rosalie? Asan si Sis Rosalie? Wala na. Naka-off.
Yan, naka-off siya, te.
Okay. So yes, right. Tonight has been an very inspiring episode, and yes, so As a single mom and a nurse working long hours, I know how it feels to want more from your family. So this business can change anybody's life. Visit my website at www.cheryl-young.com and see for yourself. So I think sis Maria still here, and her sis Maria, yeah. If you can share your website to everyone.
Hi, take action. If you resonate with what we are sharing today, just take action. You can reach out to any of these beautiful ladies here website, and it doesn't matter because we are in one business, right? My personal website is www.mariasantoslive.com. Back to you guys.
Yes, thank you po. Maraming salamat for your time with Empowered Women tonight, Sis Maria. So hopefully we can invite you again for
Sure.
another episode. to make up for the
Internet.
technical
Yeah.
Grabe
We'll
ang
definitely
internet
have
natin
next
ngayon.
one.
Acting weird ang internet natin ngayon.
Yeah,
Yes, it is
despite the ganon, okay naman siya. Madami tayong nugget. And it took us a little bit longer than usual, pero it was all worth it. Ang dami nang nag-comment dito from Doris. Hi, ladies, watching from Ireland. Meron din
Wow.
tayong na-curious, what is the program all about? Para na tayo nasa mastermind kasi.
Wow.
And of course, we have an interviews chat here, truly inspiring. From Anne Rodriguez Oliveira, congratulations, Miss Josie. And another one from DCD. Hello, everyone from Fourth Street.
Wow.
DCC. How
Wow.
global we are.
Amazing.
All right.
They are so
Thank you,
global.
thank you. Thanks, Miss Maria, again for this opportunity, and thanks everyone for joining in. We'll see you again next time.
See ya.
Happy
Thanks.
weekend.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow. See you tomorrow.